All right, so now that we've got the first, welcome to robotics class. I'm really excited about it. But now that we've got your Arduino all plugged in properly, our LEDs are in there, our buttons in there, everything's like plugged in right, we need to start programming it. To do that on a Chromebook, we need a new extension or a new app called Chromduino 2. So you're going to Google, do a quick search result or search for Chromduino 2, and then you're going to click on the first link. It's a chrome.google.com, and it's an app or an extension that you're going to install, and you're going to add that to Chrome. This is what it should look like. And I'm using a student account right now just to make sure that it can be done with a student account. So you'll have to do this with your account. I'm doing it with this guy just to make sure that it works. So if this guy has any problems, you're going to have problems. But we didn't have any problems, so you shouldn't have any problems. Now that it's installed and it's happy, we can happily launch the app. We can also launch the app after it's already been installed from here and also from down here. So let me leave this. Now we have to just pick one of these servers. For now, let's go to use this one in New York. New York sounds great because it's closer than Singapore and Australia. Here we have the default Blink program. That's what immediately loaded up. This is good because that's kind of what we want. Yeah, we just kind of want to use the default program for Blink. We will need to change this LED. In fact, this line right here, pin mode, we're going to copy that. And we're going to make 10 copies of this. Well, 9 copies of this. That's probably enough. Our pins, let me just get rid of this. We don't need that. Pin is going to start for the LEDs at 3 and then 4. Yeah, you know, there's going 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's not going to stop at 10. It's not going to 20, that's for sure. We need 10. We're going to need one more because our LEDs should be from pins 3 to 11. So that is all set up for the output. Let's leave the serial on for now. And then we can leave this sending high to LED. But what we want to do is, again, make a copy of that line about 11 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this is going to turn all of those LEDs on. We need to change the numbers here. Again, 4, 5, 6, that's another 5, 6, 7, phew, 8. Well, that's weird. That's better. 9, 10. Now I've got 2 extras for some reason. I can't count, I guess. Did I miss any numbers? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, that's right. So I don't need those 2. Bye-bye. And then down here, we're going to need to turn them all off. Yay for turning things off. So we're going to copy that line. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's because we only have 9 LEDs. 9, there we go. And I counted to 11. So again, 3, we're just counting all the way up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here we are all set. This is the first step. What I want you to do at this point is plug in your Arduino to your Chromebook. The USB cable plugs into the back of your Chromebook. You can't see that. I may upload another video. In fact, I will, and I want you to upload another video of your thing working. So expect another video after this one. It'll just be here on my YouTube channel, and it'll show all the outside stuff to do. But I'm going to plug that in. Just plug it in. Now my little lights are turning on to let me know that the Arduino is on. Nothing appears to be happening on the screen. We're going to come up into here in Tools, and we need to select a port. We'll hit the refresh button. If it doesn't automatically, populate, you hit that refresh button. That's my port. We're going to select a board. We are using an Arduino Genuino Uno. Okay, not the Un, but the Uno. And then we're ready to go. All we have to do is hit the program button. And this program button is going to take a little bit longer than we're used to at school. It has to go all the way to New York and then come right back. We should see 16 or 18 little dots. And once that's done, of course, you'll see your Arduino blinking. And again, I'll upload a video to show you my Arduino blinking, but if it says that we've finished, upload complete, have a good day, that is what we want. If you have any errors, if we've mistyped something, it'll give you an error. Also, we can, because we're here, open up the terminal, and the terminal will show us, because of the way that this code is written, sending LED high, sending LED low. This is effectively, this line 30 and line 41 are being ran multiple times. And that, my friends, is what you need to do today. Thank you very much.